Seeing the Direct3d10warp DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. Before we begin the walkthrough for Direct3d10warp, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This DLL file is the Windows Advanced Rasterization Platform library. It provides a high-speed software-based graphics renderer for Direct3d10, allowing 3D applications to run on systems without a dedicated or compatible graphics card. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since the Direct3d10warp DLL is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Direct3d10warp file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Replacing the Direct3d10warp without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for the Direct3d10warp. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your the Direct3d10warp workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.